What is up, guys? Welcome back to Solo MC Rider. Today I am going to do a quick modification that I have been waiting for a pretty long time. I have a full exhaust system on this bike, and it has a fully titanium Akrapovic and has a BMW OEM Akrapovic end can. This one has a DB killer options not included, so you have to buy it from BMW or find somewhere in eBay or something. So I waited for about a month or so. It finally came in, and I'm going to install it today, and we will do a sound check before and after. The full system sounds extremely loud, and especially this is an XR, and I do want a tour. That's my plan and commute, so I do not want the bike to be too loud. But it's just one little screw, you can take it off and put it back on whenever you want to. But for daily commute and touring, I do want to have the bike to be a little bit more quieter, so I'm going to install this today. So let's get to the installation. Let's hear the sound first before, and we will sound check after. So this is going to be a cold start, so keep in mind the bike is going to be extremely loud. So let's give it a try. All right, let's hear it. The bike is cold, so I'm not going to rev it as much, but you can hear. So I don't want the bike to get too hot, and now I will go ahead and install. So here is this piece right here, this screw, and this whole thing. BMW couldn't get me one because it's discontinued or out of stock or something, so I found it on eBay somewhere from Europe. Came in and it looks like it fits, so we'll put that on and then see how it goes. See right here, so it just goes in and then connects. You just put that screw to hold it. That's it. So I just used the rubber mallet and just did a little bit of tapping, and it went in right into the placing. So we're going to turn the bike on. So that was a pretty easy, quick mod, and pretty expensive for this little piece of metal. This is it for this video. I will go for a ride, see how it sounds on a real world, and we will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much.